Tired of endless delays and budget explosions? Traditional home building is a circus of uncertainty. Meet the iconic 2153, a new way to own a home without the chaos. Say goodbye to contractor roulette and hello to certainty. Discover the iconic 2153, a spacious 2,153 square feet, two-level home with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 2 balconies. It's assembled in 30 days on-site with fixed pricing. You just need to let us know when your permits and site prep are done. No surprises. Shikkee iconic homes are premium by default. Galvanized steel frame, pre-insulated multi-layer walls, aluminum cladding, thermal double-glazed windows, zero-line doors, smart-ready electrical, lighting, plumbing, and solar-ready systems. No basic shell nonsense. The upgrades are already inside. Easily configure your home, size, color, roof, and energy add-ons. See your choices come to life with our website configurator. Ready? Pay order fee and it's yours. It's that simple. Shikkee OS turns the house into a controlled product system. From the moment you choose the model, Shikkee OS connects the specs, pricing, energy layer, finance route, delivery milestones, and future upgrades into one digital flow. No scattered vendors, no mystery timeline, no we'll get back to you nonsense from the old world. The home is the hardware. Shikkee OS is the digital layer. Stop surviving. Start living. Found a lot? Shikkee it.